See what is JPA. So JPA stand for Java Persistent Interface. So this is actually allow you to work with relational database and your Java objects and the classes. Very simply, your uh, source code or the coding where you written from, let's say, Java programming language, those objects and classes will be related with the relational databases. So it is part of a Java Enterprise Edition. So if you install Java EE environment, Java Enterprise Edition, so you obviously were able to work with JPA. So and able to develop enterprise applications. As you know, enterprise applications run in many systems, in many geographies, and with different locations, many locations, multiple millions of users will be able to use the same system. So that's what enterprise applications is all about. So Java API does that. So Java API help you to link your Java objects and classes, those codes that you've written with your relational database. Uh, so JPA consists of few more features. So JPA allow you to do object relationship mapping, which means object relationship mapping or ORM, where your Java objects and classes is able to map with relational database languages, relational database systems like MySQL, Oracle, and all that, and able to write SQL query in order to take data, receive data, store data, such. So JP has a JP has a XML configuration file. As you know, XML is the one of the best platform independent language. XML able to develop, able to configure many programming language together with other relational database system. So what happened actually in XML annotation where Java objects correspond to the database tables. So how fields map into the columns. Likewise, you will be able to map your database Java objects into database objects such as tables, columns, so on. And Java API has entity classes. Java classes that map into databases, database table is called as entity. As you know, table can be defined as an entity or relation in a database. So each instance of that entity class corresponds to a row in a table. So you have another object called Java Entity Manager. This is the primary interface of interacting with persistent context used to create, update, delete data on a database. And Java persistent query language like SQL, which allow you to speak to database and retrieve, store, manipulate, and update data on the databases. So it's about JPA.